Relentless rains along Karnataka's coast over the past week have turned tragic. On May 30th, a landslide in the early hours of the morning claimed the lives of 3 members of a single family. The incident took place in Manjanadi village in Ullal, taluk. At around 3:30 am, a 30-foot high hillock collapsed onto a house, destroying it completely. 3 massive trees nearby were also uprooted in the landslide. Prema Pujari and her 3-year-old grandson Aryan, who was sleeping inside, died on the spot. Her daughter-in-law Ashwini and 2-year-old grandson Arush were trapped under the debris. Rescue teams from the NDRF, SDRF, local fire services and the police carried out operations well into Friday afternoon.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮುಂಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಊಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮರ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ಟೋರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆನಂತರ ನಾವು ಗೋಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗು ಒಂದು ಡೆತ್ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ನ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ, ಆನಂತರ 2 ಲೈವ್ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮು, ಆನಂತರ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Arush passed away while being rushed to the hospital. His mother Ashwini is currently receiving treatment. In another incident in Ullal, a 3-year-old child died in a landslide-related house collapse. Authorities are continuing to monitor the region, which remains on high alert due to the risk of further landslides. The early onset of the monsoon this year has brought heavy rains to the coastal districts of Karnataka.